Hey, so if you're new to Canva Docs and want to create clean and professional documents easily, yeah, this guide is for you. Canva Docs lets you write, design, and collaborate in one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, go to Canva and open the Docs section from the homepage. Then click on Create a Doc to start a new document, which will be your main workspace. Start adding your content by typing text and use formatting options like headings, bold text, and bullet points to organize everything. You can also use Canva's AI feature called Magic Write, yeah, to generate content, ideas, or improve your writing. To make your document more engaging, add images, icons, or graphics directly inside your doc. You can also use templates, which are pre-designed layouts that save time and improve your design. If you're working with others, you can share your document and collaborate in real time. And finally, you can download your document or share it as a link depending on your needs. So, yeah, that's how to use Canva Docs step by step. Once you start using it, creating documents becomes faster, easier, and more creative. Hey,